Coming up on Bondi Rescue.
Right, jump off and just let me assess.
An overturned boat is pinned against the cliffs in huge seas.
You know, these guys are freaking out.
A fisherman struggles for life.
This was a serious matter. Guy was going downhill very quickly.
The world's oldest surfboard, and it's not from Hawaii.
He does make it look easy.
And a heavy rescue brings Jethro to his knees.
It felt like I got hit by a brick wall and I thought I was going to drop unconscious on the sand right there.
Take me back to the sweet times, the happy nights. Everything's gonna be alright in the summertime.